before the needle touched the rock. We beat the drum on dusty ground. Let spirit be the only sound. Moonlight rests on Zion Hill. Night breeze whisper, time stand still. Elder voice and firelight, sing the truth into the night. Beat the drum, let the flame burn slow. Truth don't fade, it only grows. No machine, no golden throne, just heart and hand and flesh and bone. Babylon chains still heavy here, sugar feel and silent tear. But in the chant we find our name. In every spark there live a flame. Mama hum a broken song, Papa work with tired palm. Still the rhythm hold we tight, guide we through the longest night. Beat the drum, let the flame burn slow. Nyabinghi call from hill to bay, ancient word them find we way. Lion dreaming humble man, freedom drawn in Jaja plan. Smoke rise up from seed of fire, carry prayer and deep desire. Every beat a step to free, every chant a prophecy. Who give the song? The ancestors. Who keep it strong? The sufferers. Who light the way? The righteous flame. Who call we name? The chant remain. One day box will sing we song, steel string bass roll deep and long. But hear me now before that time, when song was prayer and word was sign. If you hear this years from now, know the vow we made somehow. Truth was sown in quiet ground, before them build the sound system sound. Beat the drum, let the flame burn slow. Truth don't fade, it only grows. Fire still burning, drums still talking, truth still calling. Josiah Flamekeeper anti-fitted.
Before the needle touched the rock, we beat the drum on dusty ground. Let spirit be the only sound. Moonlight rests on Zion Hill. Night breeze whisper, time stand still. Elder voice and firelight, sing the truth into the night. Beat the drum, let the flame burn slow. Truth don't fade, it only grows. No machine, no golden throne, just heart and hand and flesh and bone. Babylon chains still heavy here, sugar field and silent tear. But in the chant we find our name. In every spark there live a flame. Mama hum a broken song, Papa work with tired palm. Still the last night. Beat the drum, let the flame burn slow. Truth don't fade, it only grows. No machine, no golden throne, just heart and hand and flesh and bone. Nyabinghi call from hill to bay, ancient word them find we way. Lion dreaming, humble man, freedom drawn in Jaja plan. Smoke rise up from cedar fire, carry prayer and deep desire. Every beat a step to free, every chant a prophecy. Who give this song? The ancestors. Who keep it strong? The sufferers. Who light the way? The righteous flame. Who call we name? The chant remain. One day box will sing we song, steel string bass roll deep and long. But hear me now, before that time when song was prayer and word was sign. If you hear this years from now, know the vow we made somehow. Truth was sown in quiet ground before them build the sound system sound. Beat a drum, let the